justdid8.com, and today I'm going to be showing you and expanding your minds on how I made this pork shumai at home. Alright, let's hit the kitchen. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? We're making shrimp and pork dumplings with some garlic and garlic chives and shiitake mushrooms. Yeah. Oh, and we added 1 tablespoon of the ginger water from my homemade ginger paste. If you're curious to see how to make that paste, check out that video in the iCard in the corner of the screen. 3/4 sugar teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sashimi wine,
half a teaspoon of white pepper.
White pepper, barely a shake. 1.5 pounds of pork. There we go. And now you mix it. You mix it all together. Make sure it's well combined for a tasty result. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make shumai out of gyoza skin. Alright, so you grab your hand and you actually make like this circular motion, and you put your gyoza skin on top, and it naturally forms this little hole down here. So what you're going to do is grab your protein of choice, but I'm going to grab some with my soup spoon, or any spoon for that matter, and scoop it in the center of the gyoza skin. Now I'm using gyoza skin, but you could go ahead and use any shumai skin, and it naturally forms into a shumai shape, just like that. And I'm using the middle finger down here as a landing strip, like that. As you shape it, you just keep shaping it from the top, and you let it fall on the bottom. You let go of your middle finger and you just kind of let it fall to your ring finger, and you shape the top. Now you could take off the excess on the top or leave it for extra protein, but yep. I properly grease my pan, and then I turn on the heat. Now I'm going to put in my shumai. So I'm pan frying for a little bit. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, so that tells me that you like this video. I'm letting it sizzle on medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the shumai has been pan frying like this for 2 to 3 minutes, and as they sizzle a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and toss some water. Woo! And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and let it steam for 5 minutes or so. Alright, let's check on our shumai. Ooh, looks pretty good.
Hey, are you enjoying this video? If so, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload another video.
Nice. Pork shumai made at home with some gyoza skins. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Would you give a bite? It's delicious. What are you doing?
I am making pork shumai.
Wow. Nice. Awesome. Oh, look at you. Look at that. Looking like that. Nice. Our goal is to have a whole container here, so we'll see. We even prepped some to put in the fridge.
Who needs clubbing on a Saturday night when you can make pork shumai?
There you go, especially in COVID times. Why not make shumai at home?
Alright, my eaters, if you've gotten to this point of the video, I really appreciate you because that means you're watching the whole entire video. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, my eater. Definitely hit the like button because it helps out the channel, and definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications whenever we upload another video. But hey, definitely comment down below to let me know if you did that by hitting the red subscribe button and the bell, and that you're a proud subscriber. And at the same time, comment and let me know if you liked this video, and or if you shared it out with a family and friend because they might need it. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Always expand your mind, explore your palate, not just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video.